how to open file location in Windows 11. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So there are plenty of ways to search up for files right here in Windows 11. So what you can do is you just simply go to the search bar right here. And then here, what you want to do is you just look for the file that you want to look up. So for example, I'll be looking for this folder right here in Windows 11. So what I want to do is just simply type in the name of the folder. There it goes. As you can see that there are lots of folder locations right here. So to go to the file location, what you want to do is just click on the folder that you want to look for the file location for. And after that, there will be an option right here that will allow you to open the file location of that said folder or file. So when I click on this, as you can see, I can now open up the file location of the folder that I have just searched. So in here, I can now get access to my files. So yeah, another thing that you can also do in checking the file location of a file or folder, what you can do is you just go to the search bar again and then just look for the file or folder that you want to open the file location of. So for example, I'll be opening up a file location of a specific application. So yeah, so for example, let's try to open up the Steam application right there. So yeah, so what you want to do is to just search up for Steam, and after that, just click on open file location, and then there you go, you'll be redirected here. But this is not the original file location for Steam right here, since this is a shortcut. So what you want to do is to right click again, and then when you right click the application that you want to open the file location of, there will be an option right here that will allow you to open the file location of this said application. So I'll just click on this, and after that, we'll be redirected here in the file location for Steam. So yeah, so in here, we'll get access to different kinds of folders that are under Steam, like our Steam apps, our user data, and etc, etc. So yeah, and after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to open file location in Windows 11.